Your adolescent's brain is changing every minute, every second, every day. Now is the time to really start helping them to develop these brain pathways that lead to good behavior. While you're sheltered at home with your adolescent for a few weeks now, this would be a good time to work on an important one, which is patience. Adolescents aren't known for being patient individuals. Their world pretty much is surrounded with them, and all the rest of us are just there to irritate them. So if your child seems to have that characteristic, then this is a great lesson for you to be able to teach them while you have them with you for this period of time. So we're going to talk about patience, and I have a couple suggestions for you to make those pathways stronger in your child's brain. The first one is when they have a moment of just eruption in impatience with someone or something that's going on, I suggest that you not react to them at that moment. Wait for the storm to pass, give it a little time, not a long time, just, till everything calms down. And then sit them down and have a discussion with them about what just happened. Listen to them. They're going to have a reason for why they were so irritated, and acknowledge that there was something that irritated them. But then also you need to talk to them about how the other people involved in the storm felt in response to their reaction. This should take, 3 or 4 minutes. These aren't long conversations. Just to plant some seeds to get those pathways going a little deeper and a little deeper, and helping them to take a little bit of responsibility themselves for the way people are responding to them. The second thing you can do is just look for the tiniest little expressions of patience that they show. Ridiculously tiny expressions of patience. And again, don't say anything at the moment because that'll just embarrass them. But wait until you can talk to them privately and just thank them for showing the patience that they did in the situation, and that you really appreciate that quality that's just growing in them. You can even write them a note, whatever you need to do, but be encouraging with them when you see any little progress in this area. You're going to have a lot of opportunities over the next 2 weeks to test this out and see how you can help them to grow in that behavioral quality of patience. It's probably going to test you a little bit too over these next 2 weeks. But take advantage of this time and really help your adolescent to begin to see things a little differently. I'm Dr. M with Anatomy for Kids.